Hi, I'm Prachi and I'm the employee of Anytime Invest. Right now, I'm pursuing BCA from ITS Mohanagar College, and our college placement approached us to give an interview in this company, and luckily, I got selected, and recently, I've joined it. This company is completely based on financial advisory, and it is strongly tied up with other well-known financial company. I'm learning new things and great experience under the guidance of our mentors. The company's owner and directors are also very supportive. Also, our HR and BM department is also very supportive and friendly. I would like to give 5 out of 5 ratings to this company and highly recommend others to come and join us and become a part of Anytime family.